Well, how about 773 horsepower under the hood of this beautiful 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 3LZ Coupe? What a magnificent looking car. This just came to our showroom floor, so that shine on it is absolutely beautiful. You'll find no more beautiful Corvette anywhere. This is Laguna Blue on the exterior, and it has that fabulous Kalahari interior, and it has the visible carbon fiber top as well. As we said, under the hood, 773 horsepower supercharged LT4 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features on this car include the $8,945 3LZ Preferred Equipment Group, navigation, performance data recorder, Napa leather seating, the color-keyed instrument panel, leather-wrapped instrument panel, center console and door panels, Bose 10-speaker stereo system. It is absolutely loaded with options. This car not only has the rear camera, it has the front camera as well, and it has a beautiful suede microfiber wrapped upper trim package. The car also has the $2,995 Carbon Flash Ground Effects package, which includes the visible carbon fiber hood section, Laguna Blue tint up coat charge, chrome wheels, chrome badge package, carbon fiber interior trim package. Absolutely loaded with options. This car comes with a clean Carfax. Everything is power on this car, and it has just 46,654 miles. The paint, as you can see, is absolutely beautiful. Be sure to check out more detailed pictures of this car by clicking the link right below this video, and you'll also be able to find the pricing there as well. This car is priced to sell, and it is a beautiful car. It is a head turner. Be sure to give one of our sales representatives here a call to know more about this Corvette or any of the Corvettes. We have more Corvettes in stock here in our Atlanta, Georgia facility than you can imagine. And remember, we make buying online something you can do with ease and with confidence. Be sure to stop in if you're ever in the Atlanta, Georgia area and want to just kind of look around at a Corvette museum. It's right here as well. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification button to be the first to see every new Corvette that comes to our showroom floor. Give one of our sales representatives a call here in Atlanta at 770-414-5552. Remember, we ship Corvettes nationwide, actually worldwide, but we ship Corvettes nationwide every week here at buyavet.net. So buy with confidence. And give us a call here at buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon. This is a beautiful car.